Hi, my name is Brian. This is my 1972 Blazer. I've got it here at Big Ten Garage. I bought this truck and we brought it in here, tore it all apart. We're putting a whole new chassis, new driveline. The truck's been totally being customized here. Jason has been just wonderful to work with, and the thing has really snowballed into quite the project. So really excited. It's come a long ways. It's been here. The first day I drove it, I ended up here and it never left. And so it's been here on a big journey. So we're hoping to see this thing in the next, several months come together and become quite the machine.
The little puppy.
just want to take a second to say thanks for everybody for coming to our open house today. It's crazy to see the amount of people that show up and support, eat the food that we make, just hang out, and all the conversations that we have with everybody. It's surreal to be able to come to this place every day, and we call it work, but it's really not. We come here, we build trucks, we do what we love to do, and you know, they say if you love what you do, you don't work a day in your life, and that's us. So just from everything in me, thank you guys. Thanks for the support. We'll see you at Dino's. Doublemint's going to go to SEMA, so it'll be there for American Racing. I haven't shown anybody the wheels yet, but you'll see them coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. You'll see them at Dino's, of course. And then after that, what do we got? We have the toy drive. So we're the last stop on the toy drive again this year. So hopefully we'll see everybody there, and catch you there.